Hey guys, it's FanOfFans47 here, and today I'm going to show you a little DIY project I threw together last night. This is a little mini twin fan. Now, this thing is actually really small. It looks big on camera, but this is the size of my hand right next to it. This thing is tiny. So I'll go ahead and show you how I put this together. So I have it on this bracket right here, which actually came with my Toa Melodix ML1000 over there. And then the two motors came from some old toy cars that I had just sitting around. So I just went ahead and disassembled those and then put them right through these screw holes, and they happen to fit perfectly. And then the props, or blades, are from an old drone that I had, or that I used to have. And then I'll go ahead and take you back here, show the electrical components. You can see I have a little switch connected to it right there. And then I have a bunch of wires here. You can see I have both of the motors connected in parallel with this wire knot right here, as you can see. I'm only using that one. Everything else is just kind of lazily tied together because, you know, first of all, I didn't want to use wire nuts, and second of all, laziness. So yeah, and I have that hooked up to a big long USB cord that goes all the way down here and plugs in right there through this little HTC adapter that I have here. So yeah, it's just a simple little twin fan. You know, not much to it. It's got a single speed. And yeah, I'll go ahead and flip the switch and I'll show it to you in action. It's very loud, but it's actually quite powerful. Yeah. Little story about how I had the idea to make this. I just found two little toy cars in my closet one day as I was doing a little clean out, and I was like, you know what? The more fans, the better. So I figured I'd just kind of, gather some parts I had laying around, and yeah, this was the result. I'm quite happy with it. It's loud, but it works. Definitely sounds like a quadcopter. Yeah, I'll go ahead and turn it off. And there you have it, guys. That's my little mini DIY project, my mini twin fan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more.